Let's have a look at the charts that count right now. Not too dissimilar to what I had at the early stages of the week and in my newsletter on Tuesday as well. Coming straight in and looking at Bitcoin, we've got a level of resistance there that we've got to get through. We keep trying. Now, the reason this is a significant level of resistance in my books, well, there's a confluence going on right here. Let me show you the start of that confluence based on the weekly time frame. We note that when the market pulls back into this moving average zone, which is where I trade from, we get decent moves and we have a good uptrend and we have good cyclicity and we have come back into an old level of resistance. It's not exact, but it is back into that level. We've got a bullish weekly candle and the high is right here at that white line. Breaking the high of that weekly candle made you see another leg up in what is otherwise a strong weekly uptrend. Now we move down to the daily. If we can break up through that level, we will also have a higher low and a higher high, putting the daily into an uptrend. Now, I'm stalking a trade here. Whether I get it or not, well, that will depend. I've got test one, I've got test two, not quite a third, and then I'm looking at a breakout with a stop down here. I don't have a trade on Bitcoin just yet. In other news, others, which is everything outside of the top 10, well, again, I spoke about this too. Look at the weekly bullish candle in that zone, in that moving average zone, in a weekly uptrend. It's well and truly broken the high and cleared it with a significant move. This is great to see. This is what we want for an altcoin market move. And we are starting to see that come across the board now. In my morning scans, I am noticing a lot more falling into being in 4-hour uptrends, which is the beginning, generally the first time frame of significance to me to start trending and where trades come from, for which I've got 2 on today and an order for another one. Right now, it's looking very, very good. The big point here, though, the blue sky is above the high of this candle. So above 328.31 billion. We get above there. We've got some good cyclicity. We'll have cleared this consolidation and, we've got a clear run to 400 billion and beyond. Please let that happen because that's what we want. Can an altcoin run actually carry some momentum? We'll have to wait and see. The next chart that's also of importance is the total market cap back into an old level of resistance, a very clean level, a better level than Bitcoin's level. A bullish candle, it's broken the high, it's back in the cradle zone, and it is also in a very strong weekly uptrend. As a matter of fact, it's in a much stronger weekly uptrend than Bitcoin, from the higher low to the higher high. Nice little leg out, but if you look at total, much more significant move, which means the top 10 has also been stepping out, as we know with Ethereum's moves. Binance has had some good moves. It's a chart that helps me to have a bit of a handle on the whole market. So it's looking very, very good. Now, trades available for me right now. Well, I'll show you a couple. AVAX, I will be filled in AVAX long if it can break the high of that candle right there on the weekly time frame with a stop down here. I'm looking at a swing trade, a longer term position, and that is what I'm looking at on AVAX. And also in my watch list, Dash, I have an 8-hour order right now on Dash. Same sort of principles of what I've been talking about with Bitcoin and with Total and with others. The bullish candle right there. I'm looking for it to break the high and have a continuation. The other thing with this as well is there is resistance up ahead. I'm always looking to reduce my risk before I get to that level. So 1-to-1 achieved means breaking even. I won't get into all the detail of that because that's my specific trading methodology. But we can see a higher low here. Again, a breakup through these levels through here will put Dash into an uptrend. There's been a consolidation that's been building for a very, very long time. Today's trade that I got out in the community is here on Sui. Same thing, guys. Exactly the same as a sort of order for Dash, as I showed you on Total, as I showed you on others, as I showed you on Bitcoin. First target's hit, break-even trade. It's a risk-free trade right now, and it's been a good day. So that's what I'm looking at across the board with Bitcoin, with Total market cap and others. Big news tonight is PPI. Last month, PPI came out and the market rocketed. Then, a couple of days later, we had the CPI come out, which made the market fall, putting us into what has been a pretty lackluster period of time since then. That was over here somewhere. Okay, so it's been a month since then, and nothing has really happened. Could the PPI, then followed by the CPI, be what kicks this market into another extended leg higher? Only time will tell. That news is coming out overnight for Australians, and in the US, I think it's 1:30. Don't quote me on that. Go to your economic calendar and have a look. I haven't got it in front of me right now. Oh, one more thing before I go. I am actually, in fact, stalking Solana. for a long here as well. There it is. Again, same principle. Back into this level. It's not quite got there. There's a bullish candle in that zone. So there's plenty of trades starting to come about because there's a bit of momentum. There's some trends starting to come up. Please, I am starting to get a bit excited because the structure's coming back. I just really hope that we see continuation to the upside. I'm much more looking for longs and shorts at the moment because that's what the market is telling me. And those reasons I just gave are the reasons why I'm looking for longs. Join me on my free newsletter, guys. The link's in bio if that's what you want to do. More information. It's totally free. Check it out. See what you like. Have a great day. And if you have any questions or you have any comments or you think I'm a mad dog and I'm completely wrong and it's all going to collapse, let me know in the comments. I'm open to hearing it. Have a great day, guys. Bye for now.